Mr. Moon?
Come on, Moon. You can't just hide out in your buddy's pool house.
Yeah, we just want to make sure you're all right, that's all.
Hey, Mr. Moon.
You okay?
Guys, look, I'm sorry about what happened. And the prize money.
Oh, it's okay.
No, none of this is okay.
At least we're all in one piece.
Yeah, and you know what? I bet we can find some other place to put the show on. Right?
Yeah.
The show? Guys, I'm done.
What do you mean done? Come on.
Didn't you see this? Huh? Look, it says I'm a danger to society. A deluded, washed-up charlatan who never had a hit in his career.
Oh, come on. You don't believe all that.
Yeah, I do.
Listen, you're not the only one who lost something here. We all did. I mean, I lost any chance of ever speaking to my dad again over this show.
Sorry.
Oh, Mr. Moon, don't...
Forget about it. What is? I don't understand.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Mr. Moon?
Nina, please.
I baked a cake for you because, well, I know you're sad right now and probably afraid to try again. And...
Yeah, I am afraid. I'm afraid that this, me, right now, this is who I am. This is my lot for life, that I'm not the guy that my dad wanted me to be, not by a million miles.
But you told me...
What did I say?
Well, you know, don't let fear stop you from doing the thing you love.
Ah, come on, that's just a bunch of stupid, corny...
No, it's not.
What, you really believe that you're gonna be a singer?
Well, yeah, maybe.
Well, then you're just as big a fool as I am. Look, kid, you and me, we're both afraid for good reason. Right? Because deep down we know. We just don't have what it takes.
Interrupting genius. Well, hey there, buddy.
Mater!
You know what?
Wait, where'd you go? Are you okay?
Listen, could you meet me at the corner of Dinsdale and Leamington?
Now?
Yeah, please.
Hey, Miss Crawly.
Oh, hello, Eddie.
Hey, Cruz.
Good morning.
Oh, our first customer.
Miss Crawly, fill the bucket. Be right with you, sir.
Wait, what are you doing?
The only other job I know.
Your worthy fat, Sir Topham Hatt sent me. I hope you are pleased to see me. I am to shunt some dreadfully tiresome trucks.
This glad my dad isn't here to see us.
Miss Crawly, if you would.
Thanks. Well, gotta go to work. I'll see you around, Eddie.
Come on, I ain't got all day.
Too slow, dude.
You have crashed. You have crashed.
Are you all right?
You have crashed.
I've crashed.
One moment, please, sir. Well, you know the good thing about hitting rock bottom? There's only one way left to go, and that's up. Come on. You wash, I'll dry.
Thank you, Miss Crawly.
Look at me, I'm drifting.
Buster, where are you going?
So I tried to touch. I told the truth. I didn't come to fool you. And even though it all went wrong, I'll stand before the Lord of Song with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Do you think you can sing like that in front of a real audience?
I don't know, but I want to try.
Good. Because I want to see it.